Hi, my name is Siobhan and I'm one of the builders here at WorkXpress. Today I'm going to show you how to add custom search filters to your list. When you have a list, you end up with all your fields listed here as search parameters, and you probably don't want that. For example, in this list, we'd want to be able to search perhaps on the ID number here for the shipment or the assigned user. So let's go ahead and see how to do that. If you bring up your list, click on the Custom Search button, and we'll scroll down. Here you can see Allowed Filters. This is the list of every field that you have. What we want to do is make our own search filter. So we'll do that down here. The first one we're going to call the Shipment Docs ID number, SD number for short, or Custom ID number. I'm going to pull up the Advanced Query Builder. I'm going to go from Shipment to Shipment Role. Now, the shipment role is where information is stored about a party who's related to the shipment, and we want to see if the current user's company is on that shipment role. So here we'll filter for that based on the WorkXpress stored value. And then we would have the user input something here by using the green bubble. And we'll go down to internal shipment ID. This is something that each party on a shipment is allowed to pick an ID number, and it's only viewable to employees from that company. We'll go to Contains All Words, so anything that would be typed in the search box would show up. So if they type SD 182 or they just type 182, it will search for all of that. Okay, and we'll hit Save down here, and that will save those filters. The other thing we want to do is each shipment is also given a shipment ID when it's created. So what we're going to do is add a branch here, and we're going to add a filter on this block for the Shipment Docs ID. Again, we'll do Contains All, and we'll hit that green bubble, Save. And we're going to change this to OR. And then go back up here to select the shipment as the node. So this is going to be searching for whatever the user inputs. It will search and see if there is a shipment role where the current user's company is on that role, and see if there's an internal shipment ID with the information the user put in, or if there is a shipment docs ID number. One, and we'll click the plus to add that. The other filter we want to do is for assigned user. So again, we'll go to Shipment, go to Advanced, and then we're going to go from Shipment to Shipment Role again, and then from Shipment Role to Assigned User. Again, we want to make sure that we're looking at the shipment role where the current user's company is on that role. And then down here, we're going to use the user name field. When it looks like this, this is the first name, last name version of the username. We'll hit the green bubble for user input, hit Contains All, and save. Click the plus to add it. Now when you go back up here, you may notice that these filters don't appear at the bottom right away. We have to save this page and then come back in. So if I go down to the bottom, these are the filters I added. So I can go ahead and click the arrows to put those over there. Hit save. And you can see that they have shown up here. So let's say that I search for anything that has a 2.7. You can see all the shipments that started with 2.7 showed up here. Or if I want to search for a user, I can type part of a name or their whole name. I can type Jane and see all the shipments for Jane. Or I can just type part of a name. And this shows me all the matching shipments that have an SIM in the name. I'm sorry, an SMI in the name. That is how you add custom filters to your lists in WorkXpress.